Tegan, can you show me how you eat your corn on the cob? How come you don't hold it?
Because it fell down.
It fell down?
Yeah, and I have to put it down.
What are you eating? What do you have for dinner? Tegan? What do you have for dinner? What's this?
A burger salad.
A burger sandwich?
Uh-huh.
What's this?
The corn.
Is it corn on the cob?
No.
No? What are those?
Well, corn.
What would you just stick in your mouth? Well, what is it?
I see it's hot.
It's a tater tot?
Mm-hmm.
Is it delicious?